Welcome to SSP Tool Line. Today we will be talking about our 10-piece screwdriver set with Thermo-Plastic rubber handles. Each tool includes a magnetized, precision ground, black-oxide tip. The slip-resistant, ergonomic handles are manufactured from impact-resistant thermoplastic rubber. The unique material provides an anti-fatigue cushioning and is designed with thumb traction grooves. Hex bolsters on the shank make it easy to use a wrench to loosen difficult screws. Chrome vanadium construction with hex steel shafts and metal striking caps. Each tool is solid metal all the way through for durability and power. Set includes all popular Phillips and Slotted sizes. Another quality tool from SSP.